Morning, guys. Seriously, we had this. And now it's back. God, take it no. So here's the thing, it's March. Not that I don't like snow or stuff, but we had this. We had snow, we had a couple of warm days in March, and now it's snowing again. And I'm not joking. It's seriously snowing. And it's not snowing lightly. Look. White. White stuff. There's a lot of white stuff. And I hate this. Because now I have to bike. God take it no. Oh. Why did it have to snow? And I really want to eat at my mom's place right now. Tonight, today. Let's hope that goes through. Because my mom's probably thinking like, hey, it's best you go home or stuff. I hate the snow. I want to go away. Let's hope it goes away. But tomorrow it's gonna be much more dangerous. Because there's a lot of snow coming tomorrow. Ugh.